My dear friends, I have one simple thought to begin this wonderful week, that is love and goodness. Both the readings today speaks of evil. The first reading shows us the deadly consequences of evil intentions and actions. But the gospel on the other side challenges us. Jesus telling us, do not fight evil with evil. But the question is, how it is possible in this day and age to fight, to give and show love? Jesus' response to evil can be hard to comprehend, especially today as it was back then. Today, it is incredibly difficult for us to turn our other cheek or to take an extra mile. Because of this, there are many wars are fought, creating millions of refugees, creating millions of trouble, miseries, chaos. Yes, it is overwhelming and depressing when we see it on television or when we read it on our newspapers. But Jesus today is showing us another way to fight against evil. A new way, a way of love and a way of goodness. And St. Paul today explains this new way in his letter to the Romans. He says, do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. In the same way, Jesus in the gospel telling us and encouraging us to break the cycle of violence, to break the cycle of anger and hatred, and to take the high road, to take an extra mile. And that high road is a road of love and goodness. Are we ready to take this high road? Are we ready to take an extra mile and show the other cheek? Pope Francis writes, the power of Jesus is love. And to overcome evil with good, we have to make some time during the day and connect ourselves with God, with God's love and grace. We'll be able to stand still, to stand strong against evil. And with God's grace and love, we will be able to turn the other cheek, we'll be able to take the high road, we'll be able to take that extra mile. So let me end my reflection with a beautiful prayer, a prayer of Pope Francis. He prays, Jesus, you who love me, teach me to love like you. Jesus, you who forgive me, teach me to forgive like you. Send your Spirit, the Spirit of love, upon me. Amen.